So now to find out, ladies and gentlemen, the Outstanding In-House Security Manager Director Award. This goes to, let's take a look at the audio visual. Many congratulations to Colonel Pawan Bhatnagar, Director of Security, the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts Limited. A very warm welcome.
Colonel Bhatnagar, congratulations. Go ahead.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for this recognition. It's been a wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening. I've been throughout the show, hearing how the people have been, the industry experts have been giving out their views, starting, on both sides of the spectrum, starting from the doomsday to even to the highest of the optimism. Had some wonderful talks about technical shifts going on, capability improvement, raising of caliber, and also as Raghu Raman brought out very nicely, it is the adaptability, not the resilience that we are talking of. The person who is adaptable, he wins the race whenever the business starts. So it has been a wonderful evening, and thank you so much for the recognition, Anurag, OSPA, and this is a wonderful initiative of BW Security World. Finally, there are some awards that the security can showcase itself. Otherwise, we are only into other kind of thing. We also need some glamour. We also need some recognition.
I hate to interrupt, but this is the OSPAS. This is the Outstanding Security Performance Award that Professor Martin Gill and his team instituted, and they do it in multiple countries. We at BW Security World have piggybacked on them. We use this opportunity to launch it. It's really OSPAS, and we are honored because really it is high integrity, data and process driven, and it is by the industry. So I know Professor Gill is here, so really there is a matching of value, but these are the OSPAs, and Professor Gill is an expert in this domain, so we're happy to partner with him. Just wanted to say that these are not BW Security World.
Get that, Thank you, Professor.
Many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Many congratulations. And just for you to know, what is really quite amazing is all over the world right now, people are tuning in to find out who's won the Indian Oscars, and you're the very first one. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Great.
Wonderful. So the world is watching. So many congratulations.
If you were to say one thing that will change about security going forward, what would that be? You heard everyone. You heard really the 100% of the Indian security industry was represented today on the panel. So what would be your one input on what would change going forward?
What's going to change is, one, the credibility of the security, and secondly, the technological shift that's going to change. In my opinion, that is what is the most important thing that's going to happen.
Give us a moment. Major Mandeep is joining us in just a few seconds. Till then, let me not forget to remind all of you that we are engaging with all our viewers, audiences, speakers, jury members, winners, everybody on Twitter using our hashtag OSPAS India, which is OSPAS India. Ladies and gentlemen, like Professor Gill and Dr. Batra said, the world is watching who are the winners of India edition of OSPAS. So let's not hold back and give all our love and appreciation to all the winners. They truly deserve it. Do we have Major Mandeep here? All right. So we're going to roll down the category AV till then, until Major Mandeep joins us. Let's quickly take a look at who is winning this award. So many congratulations to the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, give out a big round of applause to Rajiv Sharma, Country Managing Director at G4S India. Congratulations, sir.
So we'll also have a drink on you.
Thank you, OSPA, and thank you, Business World, for recognizing the work that G4S Secure Solutions India Private Limited has done in the country over the last 30 years. Although G4S has, to its credit, many awards, but this award has a special significance because OSPA is award of an international stature, and this is the first edition in the country. And I always believe that the awards you get because the users, the stakeholders, they believe that you are an outstanding service provider and you deserve to be recognized for the work that you do with them. We have always taken pride in doing the work that we do with our clients over years, and we always believe that there's nothing comes beyond service excellence. In this industry, what we deliver is service. And at the end of the day, what customer experiences is what customer wants to experience from us. And if you're able to beat the customer's expectations, and I think that's what makes us the true winner. So I would like to thank you, OSPA, thank you, Business World, Anurag, Professor Martin Gill, for recognizing G4S Secure Solutions' hard work in the country and recognizing and appreciating us for this hard work. Thank you very much from everyone from G4S Secure Solutions.
Well done, Rajiv. Rajiv, just to let you know, the reason you won was because of nothing to do with me in the UK. It's because judges from different associations across India judged you against stiff competition to be the best. So you won that on merit. Many congratulations to you.
Thank you very much, Martin Gill.
The only reason, apart from what Professor Gill said, is you won because you work with my closest friend in Hong Kong.
So are you saying that he did speak to you before the jury assembled for the award?
I haven't spoken to him in 4 months.
I will definitely communicate back to him, Anurag. And you're not only his friend now. You are.
By the way, I didn't even know you won. I've not looked at the list. Professor Gill, I requested him to be in the jury. He said, no, I will not be in the jury. So, this is as honest as it gets, as transparent as he said in opening address, process driven, transparent, and high integrity. So we've done it. And the people who judge your peers, they're industry professionals, so they know, they're domain experts, they know what's happening. So this is really well deserved and well earned. We're so happy that you won.
No, I can understand fully, and I have absolutely no doubt on the process, because any credible organization like OSPA and Business World, they would definitely run the process which is transparent, which is ethical, and which is governed by proper protocols and the processes. So I have absolutely no doubt on that, and I also know this is the first award in the year for us, the first edition, and we would like to continue getting more and more awards as we move ahead and we keep servicing our friends in the country. And from the international standpoint, I think this is a feather in the cap of G4S India, because my parent in G4S UK will be very delighted to see G4S India receive this OSPA award. So thank you very much, Professor Martin Gill. Thank you, Dr. Anurag Batra, Business World, and OSPA for this wonderful evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and many congratulations, Mr. Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving on to our next award category. But to do the honors, may I now invite our esteemed jury member, Major Mandeep Garwal, Chairman of Programs Certification and Awards Committee, IISSM, to kindly come on the screen and talk about this category, which is Outstanding Security Training Initiative. Very warm welcome.
Good evening. Am I audible, Kayati?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Very good evening to everybody. Professor Gill, Dr. Anurag. I'm very happy to be here. We've had quite a good time at the jury trying to get things right. And as I had sent a message, and I'm very glad the OSPAs are here, because as you just covered in the last one, India has the largest security guards in the world. We're running at 7 million. Behind us is China at 5 million. There's a hell of a lot of gap. So obviously, when there are so many guards and they all have work, we are where you guys should be, and I'm very happy you guys are here. Now, coming on to this outstanding security training initiative, this category, surprisingly, ladies and gentlemen, I think had the highest number of entries, which made us very happy. We had 15 entries. Now, which made us very happy, because training, we believe, all us jury members, is a very, very integral part of airman in uniform. And that is what differentiates one from the other. And what we were looking at in the jury was what are the initiatives that they are using, how customer focused they are, how their training brings about a change, what are the innovations that they are using, and have those innovations worked. We did not look at size. We did not look at a very long record. We looked at what they were doing right. And we had a very, very good discussion, because what we took was, you have an airport, you have a residential thing, you have an office, you can have any number of things. What are they doing right for their customer? And that's how we came on to this thing. And we're very happy to see, honestly, it was very heartwarming to see the kind of effort being made on training. And I hope that will show up as we go on. So, Kathy, all to you to read out and go ahead from here.
Thank you so much, Major Garwal. And yes, we all are waiting. You've given such a great description on what this category is and how y'all went about deciding on the winner. But ladies and gentlemen, here is the time when we are going to reveal the winner to you by this audiovisual. So yes, many, many congratulations to Bharat Diamond Board BDB. Sameer Jha, Head of Department, Bharat Diamond Boards, is here. A very warm welcome and many congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's wow. After such a big lockdown and all this Corona period, this is such a great, charming thing which has come up, the outstanding performance awards and for the training. So great moment. Thanks a lot for OSPAS and the jury members, Major Saab and everybody. Thanks a lot for all this, because this is the field in the private security which is always neglected in the last so many years. Thanks to my board of directors, my mentor, Shri Namdar ji, and my whole team of Department of Security, Fire and Life Safety teammates, those who are doing all this round the clock, and they have made this training as on the first seat, where they feel if the people are trained, we will lose less. If even though they leave, they will bring the good name for the organization. So I have a team of almost 450 persons. This is the world's largest diamond boost. Almost we do the import-export of $35 to $40 billion from a single place of 40 acres. So for security and all this training plays a major role over here. So thanks OSPAS to bring this such a great news for Bharat Diamond Boards and my department. It's a pleasure, ma'am. Thank you, Kathy. Thanks, Professor Saab. Thanks, Anurag ji. Thanks, Major Saab. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Well,
Many congratulations. Many congratulations.
I told Professor Martingale that this gentleman will send some diamonds. My wife will be happy.
Certainly, sir. Certainly. You will get the natural diamonds over here, because we trade in only natural diamonds.
Look forward. I will send you Professor Gill's London address in my defense colony Delhi address.
Certainly, sir.
And for Major Mandeep
Many
Agarwal.
congratulations, Samir. You know something interesting? Samir? You won in a category that had the most entries. And around the world, what is really quite striking is on OSPA's entries. Outstanding Training Initiative attracts many, many, many entries. So to win it has an extra pressure and an extra joy. Many congratulations to you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thanks, jury, for all this happiness and all this. Thank you, thanks a lot.
But ladies and gentlemen, let not the enthusiasm run down. Let's move and roll the AV for our winner. Let's find out who the winner in this category is. We also have the finalist names coming right on your screens. So many congratulations to Amron Associates Private Limited. We have with us Mr. R.S. Kuntal, Managing Director, Amron Associates here. Many congratulations, sir. We'd love for you to come on screen and say a few words.
Professor Gill, the quality of winners is outstanding. They're genuinely the best in the industry. I mean, I've not been part of the process, but just looking at it from outside, they are genuinely very credible and representative of the best practices.
I'm there. Yeah, on my video, please.
Mr. Kuntal, we can hear you, but we can't see you. Are you wearing the Mr. India gadget? The movie called Professor
Hello.
Gill called
Hello,
Mr.
good
India.
evening. I don't know. I have some issue with video.
But we can hear you.
Yeah, thank you so much for this award ceremony. We at Amron Associate Private Limited, a 22-year young company, are deeply honored that our company have been selected as the Outstanding Security System Installer Integrator Award. We want to express our gratitude to the organizer, BW Security World and OSPA. OSPA, I'm sorry, for this event rewarding the outstanding performance in the security sector. Our gratitude to the jury for selecting our company for this award. Our gratitude to our customers, our suppliers, and our staff, who they are having faith in last 22 years. Without their support, nothing is impossible. We work with every day, either the pandemic time or any situation we work. We were working to our customers, our riders, our technician, engineers. They are always there on their foot to help customers. Their single camera cannot be switched off. If there is a switched off, we are not professional. So we have done whatever we can do that. And interestingly, I'll tell you, we have installed CCTV camera in 5 COVID hospitals. And my team, thank you, my team, with all sort of difficulties. And you know the situation that, and they enter in that, in the premises, and they done their best of the best job for that. So with this, we are very pleased to have received this award. Thanks for your choice and for your trust in Amron. We will do our best to justify your trust and contribute to provide best of the best with products, solutions, and services by providing by our company. We have motto, we have some sayings. Security system by design, not by choice. If anybody want to choose CCTV camera, sorry, it cannot give you the professional, or it cannot give you the right and quality videos. So we always believe in design and provide professional security systems to our customer. Thank you so much. With this, I thank you all. I thank you all the audience who they are listening my audio. I'm sorry my video, I don't know. I'm a video person, but see the situation this time, my video is not coming. So video guy is out of video.
I don't think it has anything to do with you, Mr. Kuntal, but that's okay. you made your presence felt, and you shared what you shared from your heart.
Very warm welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am, first of all, I congratulate all the jury, the participants and the winner of the outstanding security performance awards. And I am thankful to BW Security World that has organized such a wonderful event in India for the first time. I am also thankful to Mr. Rajiv Mathur and his entire team to give me a space to be one of the jury members of such an outstanding security performance award, OSPA. OSPA encourages one of the important awards for outstanding new security product that has been designed and implemented to improve any of security practices and has been introduced to the Indian security market in the last 12 months. The key point about new products is that they have a marked effect on improving security performance. That is that they add value and have clearly identified benefits. 2 questions were asked to the participants, and in this category we have 5 participants. After detailed discussion with the esteemed jury members, we have selected the best one out of 5 participants. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you
Chakrabarty.
so much.
You've been also an active. I saw you ask the question in the panel discussion I did. I've seen you at many BW webinars. So thank you for being part of our initiative. We are grateful to you. Let's roll the jury AV.
Yes, let's quickly find out who the winner is in this category. Many congratulations to Videonetics Technology Private Limited to have with us Jaya Ghosh, Marcom Manager for Videonetics. Warm welcome.
Good evening,
and
ladies and
congratulations.
gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are really pleased, honored and humbled to receive Outstanding New Security Product Award. This is indeed a proud moment for Videonetics. And a special thanks to OSPAS, Business World and respected jury members. Such prestigious recognitions testify our commitment and encourage us to innovate more and more Indian technical properties. And we got this award for our deeper look framework, which is artificial intelligence and deep learning enabled. And deeper look has been deployed in smart and safety projects for traffic violation management, municipal operations management like garbage management, public safety, and now in fact combating spread of coronavirus. And that's all happening under a unified platform. That's the power of our deeper look framework. And thank you so much once again. We are proudly securing more than 140 cities, 100 enterprise, 80 airports, and much more. So thank you once again.
Congratulations, Ms. Ghosh. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Chakrabarty. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Chakrabarti, and congratulations, Ms. Ghosh, to your entire team as well. Outstanding New Security Product Award goes to Videonetics Technology Private Limited. Here, I want to urge everybody who's watching us, not just those who are part of the security industry, but to each one, because these are the companies who are taking measures to make sure that we all stay safe and secure.